Hello everyone, this is Bett&win. I want to show you how to play under 4.5 or under 3.5 goals, especially in the afternoon or in the morning like this. So this is how to play under 3.5 or under 4.5 on Zoom. So first of all, in case you haven't subscribed, just hit that red subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so I don't miss my new videos anytime I post. This is Bett&win. So I want to show you how you can play this on this new year 2023. So I'm showing you how to play under 4.5 or under 3.5, these two options. So let's go like this. So once you come on over goals like this option, so first of all you check on under 3.5. you see any odd with 8 like 1.38, 1.28, you play it under 4.5. Play it under 4.5. It's very sure, very sure. Or you see 4 odd on over 3.5, all you do is to play it under 4.5 or you play it under 3.5. Definitely they are not going to play over 4.5 or over 3.5. So what you do, you play it under 3.5 or you play it under 4.5. Very sure. The odd will be small, but it's very sure. Choose only like 4. Only 4 you play it. You can start to play it with any amount of your choice, but choose like 4. Don't choose more than 4. So this games is working perfectly. You can choose this from different league. Don't choose everything on one league like this, as you have choose only 2 here. Now you leave here, you go to another league, but don't go to League 1. This is what they call League 1. So don't come here to play this. These people, they are not straightforward. You play this side, they play the other side. So you have to be careful about League 1. This is League 1. So let's go to the other league and play. So once you see odds like this, you see 395, 895, 95 repeated 2 times. Once you do here is play it over 1.5. It works for this particular one. Anytime you see 95 repeated 2 times like this on over 3.5 and over 4.5, you play it direct over 1.5. Very sure. This tree is working perfect. This is the best trees for 2023. So let's go to another one. So you see odds like this, the one with 9 on over 1.5, 1.39. So what you do here is play it under 3.5. Under 3.5 goals. That's how you play it. You see anyone repeated with 5 here like this on over 3.5 to over 4.5. What you do here is to play it under 4.5. So once you have chosen only 2 games on one league, you leave and go to another league. That's how you do it. So this is 3 for under 4.5, under 3.5 and over 1.5. That's how these tricks works. So working perfectly. So this is how you get your under 4.5 or under 3.5 or over 1.5 tricks here. This is Bett&win. In case you need account management or you need correct score or you need over goals option, any of these games, code or teaching, you can contact me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. Repeat, WhatsApp number is 07036760527. This WhatsApp number for Bett&win. So let's go to another league again to check on same trees. Once you come here, You see under 4.5 with this kind of odd 1.19. You play it, you choose this 1.19. Once you see 18 on over 1.5, you play this 1.19. It's very sure. It's very sure. Once you see 8 and 9, you choose 9. That's how you do it on over goals. Working perfectly. So okay, that is it for now. See you on the next video. This is Meche, Bet and Win. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so I don't miss my new video anytime I post. Alright, thank you for watching. This is Meche, Bet and Win. You can contact me on WhatsApp for any prediction on 07036760527. WhatsApp number still remains 07036760527. Alright, thank you for watching.